Friends, hello everyone. I am glad to welcome you on our channel. And in today's video, I will show you how to scan a QR code on your iPhone. Friends, please put your likes under this video. Be sure to write your comments after watching it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get down to our today's topic. And you will be able to scan a QR code on your iPhone through the camera. But first, I suggest you go into your iPhone settings to make sure you have the QR code scanner active. To do that, scroll down to the bottom, find the camera, go to the camera, and you can see the QR code scan here. If you don't have it active, then you will need to enable it. After that, you can exit the settings. Next, go to the camera. Now friends, when you find the QR code, you'll have the name of the site down here where this QR code is forwarding you to. Click on it. In this way, you will immediately go to the site from which this QR code is from. That's how easy it is for you to scan a QR code on absolutely any iPhone. I really hope that this video helped you and that it was useful for you. Please put your likes under the video, write your comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.